Today I'm going to show you how to make your eyes look amazing with no eyeshadow. The purpose of eyeshadow is to make the eyes stand out, to make your eyes look more beautiful. Not to make your eyeshadow look beautiful, but to make your eyes stand out. Now, depending on our age, particularly as we get older, eyeshadow can become very, very problematic. And in some cases, it's easier to no longer use it. But if you want to make your eyes still stand out and you don't already have the most beautiful eye color, contact lenses are the way to do that. So as you can see, I'm wearing some here, and I'm going to show you my 3 favorite pairs in a second. But you can see just by adding a contact lens here, how much the eyes stand out. And that's the goal of eye makeup, so that the focus is on your eyes. And if you don't want to wear eyeshadow, or it's too problematic, then changing your eye color is a simple, easy way of doing that. So there's nothing on my skin here at all. It's completely bare, no mascara, no foundation, nothing. But you can see that my eyes stand out. That is our goal. So let me show you my 3 favorite pairs. Okay, so the first pair is this, and this is called Tears Brown. Now don't be mistaken by the brown. These actually have a yellow undertone to them. And these are my favorite by far because they match my eye color so well. My eye color is quite a light green. So these look perfect, and they're my favorite ones. I think they look absolutely amazing. Okay, so these ones are called Tears Green, and they are a much deeper green color. Now, because my eye color is green, these work very well, and because they're deeper, they give a much deeper depth to the eye. So the eye stands out, looks very, very pretty, and I love this color. I think it is an excellent, excellent choice. Now these ones are called Flirting Blue. Now I don't tend to pick blue contact lenses, but these ones are really pretty. They make the eyes stand out, and they just look incredible. Now all these pairs are from a company called Unibling. Now I'm not sponsored or affiliated by it. I'll leave a link, but it doesn't benefit me in the slightest. I've had a good experience with them. I've ordered several different lenses, but these 3 are my favorite. It's certainly a way for you to think about your eyeshadow and your eyes moving forward, because as we get older, things can become more problematic, and a contact lens can change the way people view you in terms of how vivid your eyes are. And it's such a simple, easy change. It's temporary. And yes, putting contact lenses in can take some practice. I still find it a little bit problematic from time to time, but I love the results it gives. And you can pick any color. Now, a word of warning. Generally speaking, the paler our skin and the paler our hair, the deeper we want to go. So, because otherwise, if you've got very light hair and very light skin and you pick a very light eye color, you can look very, very washed out. But if you have very light skin and dark hair, a light eye color can look incredible. So you need to kind of bear those things in mind. Obviously, the deeper your skin, the lighter the eye can go, and the more dramatic and beautiful it will look. There you go. All done. Going to take these out now, and I will see you all soon. Thank you so much. Hope you find it enjoyable, entertaining, and if not, gives you something to think about. Thanks so much. See you all soon. Bye-bye.